Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some Dollar General cashback deals. Plus, I have sprinkled in a few surprises for you along the way. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start off with a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of Dollar General videos for you all this week, so if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have all those videos linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, you guys should be aware that I have uploaded a part 1 to this video that you guys are watching right now. In part 1, I go over the basics of the Dollar General cash system, plus some pretty important information, some things that you want to be on the lookout for. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go back and check it out. That one's also going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, as you all can see, I've kind of set these up the same way that we do our coupon matchups. All of these at the beginning are pretty straightforward. These items do not have digital coupons, so we don't have to worry about that. So you can definitely go ahead and clip all of these cashback deals to your accounts. Now, I will say that it is possible that we could have some higher value rebates on Ibotta right now. I should have double checked that before I put this video together, but this was just so time consuming. I thought I'm going to throw it out there. At least you guys will have the coupon matchups and you'll know which deals are actually worth looking at to begin with. So if you have a deal in mind that you want to do, you can always double check it on Ibotta, see if that rebate is a better value before you clip your DG cashback deal. Now, I will say that one good thing with the DG cashback system is that you can click on the offer and it will show you the available products that will work with that rebate. So it does take a lot of the guessing work out of it. And another good thing is, as you all can see, they are giving us cashback offers on items that we normally don't have coupons for. So here in just a few seconds, you guys are going to see a lot of food deals. We all have to buy food every week or every other week or every month, however you guys shop, but we all have to buy food. So this is just one more way that we can save a little bit of money. Now, your girl is fighting off some kind of cold right now, so my throat's really sore. I'm going to turn on a little background music, and I'll catch up with you guys here in just a few minutes, but make sure that you all watch the video all the way through, because I have snuck in a few surprise deals for you all. Wink, wink. Alright guys, so I'm popping back in here for just a quick second because we do have a cashback glitch. This cashback offer, it has the Referral batteries pictured. It also says Energizer, but this 50-cent rebate is working on the Ever Ready Gold C and D batteries. So those are priced at $4.50. After the rebate, your final price is going to be $4. Now, underneath the cashback offer, this is the product that's showing up. We have the AA and AAA Referral batteries. They're priced at $6 $3.65. And I did want to go ahead and point out that we do have a higher value digital coupon for those, and that is a one-off one. All right, guys. Now, like I said in part one, I would have a few surprises for you all in this video, and we do have a really awesome glitch going on right now at Dollar General. So in part one, we talked about this all free and clear laundry detergent deal. These are priced at $5. We have a $1.50 off one digital coupon, plus we have two rebates, $1 back and 75 cents back. Well, like I said in part one, your girl went out and tried out some deals yesterday at the Dollar General, and I believe since this is a brand new system, everything is glitching. So I picked up the all free and clear laundry detergent just to see what would happen. Would the digital coupon come off? Would I still get the rebate back? Would the rebate apply before the coupon? What would happen? Well, here is what happened. I picked that up. The digital coupon came off. I paid $3.96, and that is with tax. But then this morning, I woke up to a lovely surprise, and I still got the Dollar General cash back. So it gave me a total of $1.75. That means I got back both rebates. So this is definitely a run glitch deal because they will be fixing this in their system. All right, now here's another deal that I did. I picked up the Body Armor drinks. These are normally priced at $1.45 each. They're on sale. I believe it was buy three, get one for free. I did purchase a total of 4. We have this 1 off 3 DG store coupon, plus we have a $1 back rebate when you purchase 3. So I picked up a total of 4. I paid $4.62 out of pocket. That coupon did apply. And then I also received the $1 back for the DG Cash rebate. So here are the 4 products that I picked up. Long story short, I am going to bet that the coupon and the rebates are stacking right now in the Dollar General system. So here's a look at all of the items that we have coupons and rebates for. You guys can get out there and try what you would like to. Try at your own risk. Those are the 2 deals that I can confirm are working and stacking. But as with all glitches, we all know that they can end at any time. And if you watched part 1, we all know now that the Dollar General coupons are supposed to apply first. And if that applies, if the coupon is applied, we are not supposed to be getting back this rebate. So run out to your Dollar General, get in on this glitch deal before they fix it. Now, I'm also going to be heading out here in just a few minutes to try out a few more deals. Now, keep in mind that that DG cash back does not show up instantly. I tried out my deals yesterday evening around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I received my cash back at some point this morning. I believe the last time that I checked it was about midnight last night, and then I got up this morning and there it was. So just keep that in mind. You might have to wait a few hours before you see that DG cashback pop up on your account. And with that comes the risk that Dollar General will catch this and they will stop that glitch from happening. So keep that in mind. Do these deals at your own risk and be prepared to not get that cash back. And like I said, the only thing that I can confirm are the 2 that I tried. I tried the All and the Body Armor drinks. So that's what worked for me. I hope you guys can get out there and score. And hopefully these slides help you all out and save you some time. At least now you know which items we do have cashback offers on, which deals are worth doing, and also which items we have coupons and rebates for. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please come back and let me know down in the comment section if you score. And of course, before you go, oh, hang on just a second. I have one more deal to share with y'all. Since we had the DG cashback offers pop up on our accounts, I discovered a new glitch that I want to share with you all. So we've got this 50 cent off 2 digital coupon. This coupon is glitching and working on the $1 boxes found in the dollar aisle. You can choose from the berry or the fruit. This is a 3 count pickup 2. Use that digital coupon and that's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2 boxes. All right, now, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. And I will see you on the next one.